we talk about how can you enable new features on your notifications on your Vizio app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Vizio app. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on account down here. You just click here on account. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Come here to new features. Just click in this sign here. Like you see this color for us, that's mean here new features notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.